Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to cook brown rice in the Instant Pot. Many of you requested this recipe and I hope this tutorial will be useful. I want to remind you that this recipe is for short grain brown rice, not long grain or other types. Whether brown or white, short grain rice is stickier and it has a rounder and fatter shape. And it's best to soak short grain rice prior to cooking. I like cooking brown rice in my Instant Pot as it gives better texture and cooks really fast compared to a rice cooker. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Genmai, it means brown rice. White rice is called hakumai. Genmai, have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you guys next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!